In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a site in Microsoft SharePoint. Whether you're cleaning up old project spaces, organizing your company's workspace, or you simply want to remove a site you no longer need, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Deleting a site might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step so nothing feels confusing. First, open your SharePoint site and make sure you're signed in with an account that actually owns the site. This is super important because SharePoint won't allow you to delete a site unless you're the site owner. Once you're on the main page of the site you want to remove, go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Over here, you'll see several settings, but you want to select Site Information. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, after clicking on Site Information, look toward the bottom of the panel that appears. You'll see an option labeled Delete Site. Go ahead and click on that, and then click Delete. This step permanently removes the site, so make sure you've backed up anything important before finalizing the deletion. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you've downloaded any files you might need later. Double-check that no one else on your team still needs the site, and confirm that you're deleting the right one. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Also remember that deleting a SharePoint site will also remove its document library, pages, lists, and any connected content, so be absolutely sure before hitting that final button. Once you've completed these steps, SharePoint will start processing the deletion automatically. After that, you should be able to remove the site completely without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to notify your team members before deleting the site. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and prevents confusion about missing files or pages. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to delete a SharePoint site easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?